Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Wise account for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar simply search for Wise and then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard. Hit install right next to Wise. Once it's installed on your device, head over to your app drawer and then search for Wise. Open up the Wise app on your device. Once the Wise app is open, simply hit Get Started, and then here you must either log in or register. You can also sign in with Google if you have linked it to your Google account. For now, we're going to be tapping on Register. Here you must enter your email address, hit Next, and then in the email, you'll get a link that you must tap on and follow the rest of the instructions on the email. Create your account. Once your account is created, or if you already have an account, you can simply tap on Login, where you can enter your email address along with your password and then hit Login to log into your account. You can also log in using Google, Facebook, Apple, or log in with your passkey to set up your account for the very first time. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.